So in this video I'm going to tell you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Let's get started. So first you want your cube to be scrambled, and then the first step is to make the daisy on the top. So you get this white piece, put that there. And another one there. And the other two are here, so you'll get that there and that one there. But if you get a case where it's like this, you'll do that. Now you need to match up the middles with this edge piece. So this orange goes with there, and as you can see there's none others, so turn it again. Now we've got two, but these two aren't matched. So we will do that to get them both matching. And now turn all these sides 180 degrees so that you've made a white cross with all these aligned. Now the next step is to get all the corner pieces of the white layer in the right place. So as you can see, the white bit is there, but it's not in the right place. So we need to get that in the right place, as you can see. And if it's like this, that's what you will do to get it in place. Now if it's like this, you'll just do this, and again, and one more time. So now that's in place. Now there's just two more pieces for us to get in place. So what we'll do here is just this, to get that one in place, and that, to get that one in place. Now that's the first layer complete. And now, next we have to get all these edge pieces in place. And to do that, what we'll do is find an edge piece, match it up like that, but this needs to go to there. So if it needs to go to the right, what you'll do is this. Like that. But if it needs to go to the left, you'll do this. So now we just have one more, and that's going to the left again. So now the first two layers are complete. Now what you'll have to do next is make a white cross at the top. If you have this case, which is an L shape, you'll just do that to get it to a cross. Or if you have this case where it's just the line, you'll just do that to get it as a cross. But if you have the case where it's just one centre that's on there, then you'll do that twice, turn it 90 degrees, and then do it again. So now you've got the yellow cross. Now if you have this case where this piece needs to be twisted and so do them, you won't twist it. What you'll do is this algorithm to get it for the yellow part to be done. But if you have this case where there's no yellow piece there and it's there instead, you'll do this. Like that, so now the yellow part's done. But if you have the case like this, what you'll do is get it like this, do that, and then that. And now that's the yellow part complete. Now for the final part, which, well, not the final part, but to get all these in the right place. So we have these two in the right place, but all the rest aren't. So if you have two matching colours like that, what you'll do is this. So now, if you move it once, and now all the colours are in the correct place. But if you have it where there's no matching colours, like that, what you'll want to do is find an orange and a red and do the same algorithm as before. And now you would find two matching colours and do this exact same algorithm. Now it will be like that. And now for the final part, which is to get all these in the correct place. So we've already got this at the bottom, so if you already do, put that to the back. But now this needs to go there, that goes to there, and that goes to there. So what you'll do for this algorithm is and now your cube is solved. But if it's like this, where that needs to go to here instead of that going to there, what you'll do for this time, and that bit at the bottom, what you'll do this time is that. If you have this case where these edge pieces are then all not in the right place, like that, what you'll do is this. So now they're all in the right place and your cube is solved. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. And please give this video a like and subscribe if it helped you solve the Rubik's Cube.